Ayan guys, ayan, good morning sa inyong lahat mga kamiksing. Ayan, meron naman tayo guys na titimplahin ngayong araw na to. So, ito guys yung titimplahin ko guys, oh. Ayan, silver gray, ayan, pansasakyan. So, mag-retouch daw yung may-ari guys, oh. So, ganito lang kalaki yung titimplahin natin, oh. Ayan. So, samahan nyo guys, tara, timplahin natin. Ito na guys yung mga titimplahin natin. Marami to. Ito guys, oh. Mag-aaluin natin yan para maging ganitong kulay guys. Hello. So let's go. Timplahin na natin.
I think I should go. Now baby that you want. 'Cause I don't know a way. The things that we should say. I think I should go. Now baby that you want. 'Cause I don't know a way. The things that we should say.
Sa inyo. So, ito guys yung tinimpla natin, no? So ito na guys. Ayan. Okay na yan guys, parehas na. Shade, parehas na siya guys. So yan lang guys.